sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now. Then makes funny sharky sounds. No, 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 don't sleep yet, guys. Baby sharky's jumping set. Kitty walks in soft and slow. Moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky. Oh no! Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow. Nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight. Everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes. Dreams are waiting in the sky.
Just for you.
Sleep, sleep, drift away. Dreamy nighttime ends again. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet. Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again. Moon and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Sweet dreams lullaby saves the day.
Oh, no.
Sweet dreams now, hip hip hooray.
Kitty and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Rip, Mr. 1, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happily. Mr. 2, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near brain, buzzing bees. Hannibal Gershel bone. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 4 funny frogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 balloons. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Malbud does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are Kitty and Dino clap and cheer. Let's count again right here. Count, 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 1 to 10. Play the number game again. Mr. 10, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out happily. Mr. 10, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near through tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where I move. Spider-Man, 1, 2, 3. Hiding near through buzzing green. Hide on wall or shoot owl. Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 4 funny stars. Hide face from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 6 silly sticks. Sticks plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 balloons and sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. 7 sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? 20 and lucky old the spin. Big the silly shake. Mr. 9, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Ticky-tacky night, so bright, lovely. Farm is sleeping soft, the moonlight mulokay. But wait, what's that in the sky? Something glowing falling by. Oh no, look up high. The moon is falling from the sky. Wobble, moon goes lower step. Shaking, slow. Next star shout, hey, come back. But moon is slipping off its track. Each boom light hits the farm below. Animals wake like, oh no. Wobble, falling down. Moon is landing on the ground. Cow runs, moo, what is this light? Pig says, oik, it's too bright. Rooster screams, cock-a-doo, like duck goes quack. Is it true? Sheep faints bay. Who see the sky? Goat eats rope. Munch, don't ask why. Farm goes crazy left and right. Moon is shining super bright. Moon is sad. I'm on it now. I will fix this, just show how. She grabs a net. She grabs a rope. This is not the end of hope. Wind whispers, hurry fast. Moon is falling very fast. City kitty on the road. Rescue mission has begun. Moon is sad, I slipped away. I lost my place in sky today. Kitty says, don't cry, don't fear. I will take you back up here. She swings the rope. Up high. Stars start cheering in the sky. Swing, up you go. Slow, nice and slow. Moon is back in sky so high. Stars are smiling, bye. Farm is calm, soft and sweet. Hood animals sleeping in their seat. Kitty yawns, what a night. Everything is back alright. Moon is back where it should stay. Skitty saved the Y2K. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train.
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino
4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train.
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino rain.
3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino rain.
2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark, stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train.
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino rain.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Fido, they fixed the train. All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them all and says, let's ride the dino train today.